Hello, my friends. Today's topic is higher consciousness and global business. See, now global business slowly shifting to higher consciousness. Many world business leader now understand the value of higher consciousness, and they are applying higher consciousness at the back of their business and dominating the world business very altruistically. I am telling the word altruistic. I'll elaborate it in my next video. This is very important. See, today's business, especially in the Asian continent, I am telling you, mind and intellect base. It is a general practice. It is coming from the past. Mind and intellect base business. It will not work in future. It is going to be obsolete. Slowly it will become the thing of the past. Because mind and intellect based business is built on the sense of separation. This type of business always dwindle between yes or no, light or darkness, good or bad. This type of separative mode of business will not work in future. If you want to stand in the business of future generation, you have to be integrated. Your business should be ever inclusive. The business should shift from mind and intellect to higher consciousness. Because business based on intellect and mind, what happens? It is based on dissection. It is based on dissection. It dissect and experiment, then approach. It is very limited. It is very bounded, limited approach. But the business based on higher consciousness, it is ever inclusive. It is ever integrated. They accept both bad and good, light and darkness, and in both the way, they come out with a very positive result. They are growing their business to a very good extent. Now this is the time to understand. Mathematical calculative business is not going to work. Slowly in Harvard economics of Oxford, in any other business school, they are understanding this thing, that mathematical calculative equation based economics will not work anymore. Because in the business there are some human sentiments, human emotions, feelings involved. A mathematical calculation cannot incorporate human emotions, feelings, and other factors of human consciousness. So, my dear friends, already in America, the movement of higher consciousness and application of higher consciousness in the business has been growing momentum. in USA, in other European countries, they have started higher consciousness and applying them in their business. But in Asian continent, there is no such awareness. Now we are the better version. What they are doing, they are learning the method and technique of higher consciousness from Indian Guru, and they are applying it. Because the origin of higher consciousness is from our Veda and the quantum physics also, taking the help of Veda and applying it in the physics. Today's physics also totally based on higher consciousness. So my friend, understand the value of higher consciousness. In our higher consciousness activism workshop, we teach you the meaning of higher consciousness and teach you the technique of applying higher consciousness at the back of business, and you can enhance your business to a very, very good extent. Now take my number 9819134707. Namaste.